Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. This video is a little bit of a bummer because it's no longer available, but I'm filming it because I wanted to show you what's in it if you're not aware of it, so that when it happens again next year you're aware of it. It happens once a year. This is the Sephora Sun Safety Kit. Happens every year. It is really inexpensive. This year they're saying that it is a $161 value, and it was $36. They're donating $25 from the sale of this kit to skin cancer research and education. They always donate a substantial portion of it to skin cancer research and education. So yeah, it's not available now. I'm sorry, but I did want to show it to you just so you know that it's out there and you can be alert. Sold out pretty quickly this year. So it always comes in some kind of a container. Now it's in this little bag with this cute little pom-pom that you can take off. And sometimes it comes in, I think it's always in a bag. Sometimes it's like a clear bag, but it's always a bag that you can use for something. And I'm gonna open it. This is the first one that I'm seeing, and this is full size. This is Lancôme Bienfait UV 50, so I like a 50. A lot of the things in here are 30, but I like a 50, and this I definitely will use. It also is one of those kind of liquidy ones that you have to shake up. I like those a lot because they just feel less emollient. Like, I like to use a moisturizer by itself, so this I'm really looking forward to. All right, next, and I see on the package this is travel size. This is Supergoop Sunscreen Mousse. Water resistant for up to 80 minutes. So this is from Supergoop. I'm curious about this. I've never used a mousse before. I'm not sure what the benefit of a mousse versus a liquid would be, or a cream. Just gonna see. Well, there it is, a mousse. And I use sunscreen every day on my face, on my chest, and on the backs of my hands. And no matter what I'm doing, ooh, this smells nice. It smells melony maybe? No matter what I'm doing, I always put a 50 here, 100% of the time, every day, always. Like winter, when I'm never leaving the house, it's just a habit. I've had a couple of these moles removed all over my body. I was a competitive swimmer when I was a kid, and so I got a lot of sun. I'm really keeping an eye on this guy. And yeah, I SPF that guy up all the time. So this is nice. It's a little sticky. That would be more obviously for body, I think, than for face, but sure. Next is this. This is a more Pacific Sun Protection Mist. This is an SPF of 30. So I bought this. This is also from Supergoop. This is not in the set, but this is an SPF setting mist. I like the idea of a mist in case you're wearing makeup and you're out, but you want to kind of touch up. I wouldn't use this as my only SPF, but having this when you're out and about, if you want to kind of add a little more SPF to your face when you already have makeup on, is great. So this will be really nice for travel. Next is Pharmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. So this is fine. I'm fine with a 30 for days that I'm not going to be spending an incredible time in the sun. And I do like pharmacy products. Oh, and this also, a lot of these have expiration. Some of them don't. I see that there's an expiry date up here. It's December of 19. You do want to keep an eye on the expiration dates for SPFs because sometimes they stop working if they're around for too long. Next is Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask, I guess for if you get a burn. So that's this. And I hope I never have to use that, but it's good to have around. Next is this Tarte Guard 30 Sunscreen. This is a lotion. So this is a 30 SPF from Tarte. So this is just a lotion. I haven't used this before. I do prefer kind of the it's pretty though. It's light. I do prefer the watery ones that you kind of shake up, and then a separate moisturizer if I want to use that. Next, Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. What are you? Oh, it's a color correcting treatment. It's a 30 SPF broad spectrum. Apply all over the face morning and night after a serum. This is interesting. Color correcting. Oh, so it's green. So this would be, I guess you would use this if you had a sunburn, Green is opposite on the color spectrum of red. So that's probably what that is. It's probably, again, I hope I never have to use it, but that's probably what that is. It's a moisturizer with an SPF to use after you have a burn. These will be going to a friend. There are, how many of these? Maybe 2 or 3? Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Glow Pad, Self Tanner for the face. And yeah, no, there have been times in my life that I've self-tanned, but it's really only ever been my legs. My face always kind of freaks me out, not because of using self-tanner on my face, but to make it even. Like, I know that I would end up having like giant white patches under my eyes and my lids, and so that'll go to a friend that I know does self-tan. This is a silica pack, but it's not a part of it. Next is the Ultimate Miracle Worker from Philosophy. Multi-rejuvenating cream, broad spectrum SPF. So this is another cream, which is great, and it's 30. This I love. This is my favorite Holy Grail sunscreen. It's Shiseido Wet Force. This is the bottle that I use. This is what I use every day on this guy. And this is a perfect size for travel. So I'm very excited to have this. I love this. If you haven't used it and you're around somewhere where you can kind of try it, give it a shot. I love that one. Next is Clinique Pep Start Hydro Rush Moisturizer Broad Spectrum 20. I don't know about that, but I guess 20 is better than nothing, but I don't think I would ever use it. I think I'm kind of always 30 or above. So I might use that with something else. Like when I use the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, it's a 15 SPF, but I would always use something else if I'm going to be out. Next is Peter Thomas Roth Max Sheer All Day Defense Moisture Defense Sunscreen SPF 30. So this is another lotion. Nice. And I do like Peter Thomas Roth products. Next is this kind of small size of Sugar lip balm, and this is in a 15 SPF. It's in Rose, Sugar Rose, so that's nice. There are 3 more. Ooh, I like this. This is Murad Invisibler Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum 30. So this is nice, I guess, on days when it's really warm and I need to wear makeup if I'm going to, not an event like I'm Beyonce, but if I'm going to like a wedding or something and I want to be wearing SPF and kind of have that double as something else, like as a primer. This is nice because it is a great primer, and it also has a decent amount of sun protection. So that will be good for, there's a summer wedding that I'm thinking about that will be especially good for. Next is Kula Organic BB Cream and SPF 30. This is annoying. This is in light medium. It's probably going to be too dark for me, and I know it's going to be way too light for a lot of other people. It has one of these kind of things in it. I'm just going to open it for the heck of it just to see what the shade looks like. Yeah, I don't like it when they do BB creams and things like that, because you don't, with this one, you don't have a choice to choose what color your skin tone is. So what do we have here? It's very thick. All right. And I guess with a BB cream, I mean, it's not that dark. It's not that thick. It's fine on me, I guess, and this is fine. I'm not complaining at all. I love this kit. It's amazing, but that's not my favorite. Last is this. I've never seen sunscreen from Drunk Elephant. This is Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen with 20% zinc oxide. So here is this guy. So this is a great kit. I love it. It, again, is no longer available, but if it's of interest to you, set up a Google alert or just keep your eyes peeled. I got it from I learned about it from the Sephora like email that goes out, I guess. I do think it is only available in the continental US, and I'm sorry about that because it is a great product, but maybe there's something similar in the Sephora in your country. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. And to talk about sunscreen, which I have a very special place in my heart for sunscreen. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.